if you're a web developer and you are kind of debating about whether or not you should launch yourself a SaaS company so that you can have a monthly recurring revenue every single month like clockwork, if you are having that particular goal or dream, tell you what, it is so much possible for you to have that. And only thing you have to do is just this: build the version one and just ship it out. Ship it out, meaning tell everybody else about what you have built. That's it. Let me share with you a little story that I did when I wanted to launch a SaaS company before I got to the point where I am right now, where I have two profitable SaaS companies that are making about 10K plus every single month. And I don't even have to do anything. I haven't done anything to one of them in the last 5 years. So if you want to be in that position, listen up, because I'm going to share with you things that work for me. And if you take action, they may work for you too as well. And that way you could also be closer to having the dream life that you want, have being a SaaS owner. So this is what you gotta do, man. Listen, first of all, write down what is your SaaS idea. If you don't have it on already, if you're in the position contemplating about which SaaS idea should I be creating on. If you're in that position, ask yourself this one question. That is, what is the biggest problem that you have in this digital world that you wish there is a SaaS service that you can pay for so that you can get rid of that problem? For example, Netflix. They are a SaaS company. The only thing is they offer entertainment as a source of service. Everybody pays for it every single month for years. I have been paying for goddamn God, who knows for how long. Amazon, I pay for it every single month just so I can be part of their membership so that I can get a next day delivery. And then when I want to order something, I got to pay for that as well. So a problem that they're solving is that Amazon, they're solving a problem. You get the product at a cost-effective way, and but the most important thing is that you get to have it next day, if not the following day. Netflix, what they're doing, they're solving a problem of having a mass amount of audience who want this mass amount of entertainment literally at the palm of their hand or on their television. So the question you need to ask yourself is, what one problem that you have that your SaaS app company software can solve? Once you figure that out, now you're off to the races. Now you can join the other web developers who are like, oh my God, now that I have an idea, how do I build it? Step number one is getting the idea. Step number two is building the thing. And do not make the mistake of building the app solely just for yourself. I made the mistake. It cost me 6 months and no one used it. So, number one, two things what you got to do is create yourself, literally create yourself this little blueprint, which will be a whiteboard if you want. This is what I literally do if I don't have an idea. I take this piece of paper, I write it down, a little diagrams, and then I show it to 10 people before I even write a single line of code. Once I get that feedback from those people, then I go ahead and take them to the next phase, which is, hey man, literally this is what I say. If you want to use this same framework, you can use it as well. Hey man, I know you know me and I know you think that I'm the greatest, but let me tell you a little secret. I'm lazy. I want to build this thing for you because you gave me the feedback. And what if I assure you when I'm done with this, you are the first one who's going to try it out? just so I can have a little incentive. I just need you to give me a little bit of money, even $1 or $10 or whatever. If you're showing this to your friends, they're gonna be like, yeah, man, whatever, here's a 10 bucks. They're not even gonna think twice about it. But you are gonna have this incentive that if you finish it, you're gonna have other people who's going to be paying more than that X amount of your friends who have paid for it, whether it be $1, $10, $20, $50, whatever, it doesn't matter. The point is, you have a product that people will pay for it because your friends have already given you money for it. Think about that for 1 second. And then you go ahead and build it. And after that, you show it to those people, get their feedback because they are your first initial investors. Once they use the product, they give you feedback. The next step, which is the most important step, is this: get their video testimonials so that when you tell other people, hey, these people over here have used it and they are paying clients because literally they pay you for building this thing. And then if you want to use it, you can join this particular platform as well. And that's it for today. And hopefully, if you follow these simple, particular steps, you are going to have yourself a SaaS company that will people are going to be willing to pay for it. And follow your boy right here, and I'll catch you in the next one.